Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make a Wix website for beginners. Alright, so now here we are in the Wix dashboard, and yes, I have skipped through the login or sign up process because it's very direct to the point. All you have to do is go to wix.com and then go click on get started and then put your information there, and then boom, you're done right here in the Wix dashboard. And yeah, I did it so we can save time. And once you're here, you want to click on design site, and what you want to do is you can decide that it's two options because you don't have a website yet because it is a new account, you're a beginner and so on. And you can let Wix create the site for you. This is more of AI, which I don't suggest because it is not entirely editable compared to a template right here, which I think is better right here. So I suggest that you click on pick a template, especially if you're a beginner. And then you would have a lot of templates right here that is provided by Wix. And yeah, you can choose whatever you want. And let's say I want something simple. So I want this one right here. Maybe I want this. So what you want to do is click on the template, or you can click on edit right there. And then you would be able to edit it right here in your site builder. So let's just wait for that to load while Wix is preparing our template for us. Alright, so now here we are. It is now loaded, and Wix would suggest to let AI write your site content. So yeah, I think we'll just do this so that we would have something of an outline right here for this tutorial. But yeah, it is up to you if you want to use this. So videographer portfolio for inviting clients, maybe something like that. And then generate on my site would be a tutors portfolio, and let's click on generate site text. And now once it's finished loading, it should show up like this. So first is let's check the content, and then as you can see we have this, but personally I don't really like this one, the text font. So I'm just gonna zoom in so that we can see clearly, and yeah, I don't really like the font right here, so I guess we'll be changing that. So let's change all of the fonts right here. So what we can do is we can go to site design right here, and you can go for text theme, and then the heading font right here, you want to change it to something maybe like railway. Yeah, I like that even more. And then the paragraph font, I want it to be something similar, like maybe I think I can go for Avner Light right there. Yeah, I think that's it. And now once you have successfully changed your font, now you can change the other things right here. So the first one right here in this button, so this is the add elements button. So this is basically where you can add elements. Just from the name of it, you can add image, button, strip, and whatsoever. I'm not gonna go through all of these features because it's gonna take a while. You can add text right here. It's very straightforward. By the way, it's just a drag and drop feature. So for example, this one, all I have to do is drag it right here and it would appear right here. And then the next one is the add section. So if you want to add more sections just like this one, then you can add it right here, and you have a lot of section choices to pick from right here. And let's say you want a gallery, and then you want to click on this one right here, and now it would be added right here. As you can see, it is now added. Drag and drop right here. I'm just gonna drag it and drop, and now as you can see, it's now right here. And then the next one is the site design. So you can pick the color theme, the page background, page transitions, the animations is right here if you'd want that. And then you also have this one right here, the app market of Wix, wherein you can integrate apps right here into your website. And this one is for your business right here, and for your photos or medias right here that can be uploaded. You can also pick from the stock footages of Wix right here, like free images and so on. And the next one is the CMS. So you can easily manage your site content right here. So if for some reason you need CMS, then you can just do it right here. But for beginners, you most likely don't need that. So those are the controls. You can just feel free to explore them depending on what you need into this, into editing your website into how you want it. So yeah. And then the next one is the buttons right here. This is very important that you changed your logo right here. So all you have to do basically is click on change icon. And then from here, you can just go pick an image right here from your local storage if you click on this one right here, or you can even go for hover, or when someone clicks your logo, or when someone just hovers on it, you can change the image on that. So yeah, those are the options for your logo. And I think those are basically enough for you to get started on Wix, since I already have given you an idea on how you can use features right here, these basic controls in Wix. And once you are done, by the way, you can click on preview so that you will be able to see how your site would look first before you publish it. And now we're in the preview mode, so this is how it looked like. You could interact with the buttons and so on right here. But as you can see, you're in preview mode. This feature works on your live sites once it's published right here. So once you see that everything is good now, then you can click on publish right here. And then from there, it's now live. And what you can do is click on view site. And then from here, you can just see your site as it is right here. And then you can now interact with the buttons right here and so on, commercials, narratives, all videos, and so on. But as you can see, I haven't assigned the link to these buttons yet, so they don't work as much. But that is basically it on the beginner's tutorial on Wix. So I hope this video helped you out.